Passenger train trapped in a blizzard at night, snow covering the tracks. Jesus in white robe inside the conductor's cabin with hands on the controls, calm and compassionate expression. Golden glowing lights surrounding him. Cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic, emotional atmosphere, high resolution, 16:9. The snowstorm was relentless. The train had stopped for hours. Cold crept into every carriage. The conductor fought the controls, but nothing worked. Then, Jesus appeared in the cabin. Without a word, he placed his hands on the controls. The wheels turned. The train pushed through the snow. When they reached the station, he was gone.